Let me show you how to make super simple, crispy crackers at home. They come out thin, crunchy, and deliciously savory, and so good for snacking. To make these crispy crackers, add 1/4 cup or 60 grams of milk to a mixing bowl. Then add 30 grams of melted unsalted butter, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir until the milk, butter, and salt are nicely mixed together. Next, add 1¼ cups or 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 grams of instant yeast, and 1 gram of baking soda. Then add 35 grams of chopped green onions and 10 grams of sesame seeds. Start mixing with a spatula, then use your hands once the dough starts coming together. Give it a quick knead until you have a nice, smooth ball of dough, as you can see in the video here. Leave the dough to rest for 30 minutes so it gets a little softer and easier to roll out. Next, place the dough between 2 sheets of baking paper and press it down a little with your hands to get it started. Then, use a rolling pin to roll the dough out into a rough rectangle, making it as even as you can. If you like your crackers extra crispy, roll the dough a little thinner. Next, you can use cookie cutters to make different cracker shapes, but I like to keep it easy and just cut the dough into small squares or rectangles. A crinkle cutter would also work really well here and makes them look a little more fun without any extra work. Next, place the cut crackers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then, poke each one a few times with a fork. This helps them bake more evenly and gives them that nice, classic cracker look. Bake the crackers in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until they look lightly golden and crisp around the edges. These crackers are already quite crispy straight out of the oven, but they crisp up even more as they cool. Give them a few minutes to cool down a little, then they're ready to eat. If you like easy and crispy homemade snacks, you should also try my high-fiber seed crackers recipe here next. They are just as crispy and crunchy, but they're made with seeds, low in carbs, and packed with protein. Check it out now!